Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up conditional formatting in Smartsheet so your rows or cells automatically change color based on the grade entered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your data stand out visually, making it so much easier to spot high or low grades at a glance. Whether you're tracking test results, project statuses, or anything else with numbers, these skills will help you keep your sheets clear and organized. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have the right sheet open. Take a moment to find the sheet where your grades are stored or create a new one if you're just starting out. If you're new to Smartsheet, don't worry, the interface is pretty straightforward and you'll catch on quickly. Now, the goal here is simple. We want Smartsheet to color code our grades column automatically. If the grade is greater than 69, the row or just the cell should turn green, showing a passing or good grade. If it's below 70, it turns red, making it instantly obvious which grades might need some attention. Let's set it up together. Start by clicking on the sheet you're working on, then look for the Conditional Formatting button. You'll usually find this in the toolbar at the top. It looks a bit like a magic wand. Give that a click. This opens up the Conditional Formatting window where we'll build our rules. We're going to create our first rule. Click on New Rule. Now it's time to define our condition. Under When, select your grade column. This is where Smartsheet will check each value. Next, for the condition itself, select is greater than and type in 69, so anything above 69 will be included. For the formatting, click the Format button. This opens up a color selector. Choose a nice green color to signal that these are good grades. Hit OK to save. Let's do the same for grades under 70. Again, click New Rule. This time, pick your grade column, but set the condition to is less than and type in 70. For the formatting, pick a bold red color. This step is important as it'll help the lower grades catch your awareness quickly. Confirm with OK. If you're ever unsure which columns or ranges to apply your rules to, Smartsheet usually gives you some flexibility. You can choose to color just the grade cells or the whole row, whatever helps you spot what you need more easily. Personally, I like coloring just the cells for clarity, but it's up to you. Once your rules are set, take a moment to double-check everything looks right. Add a few test values if you like. Try typing in something like 85 and 65 in your grade column and watch as the formatting takes over. If something doesn't look the way you expected, don't stress. Just reopen the Conditional Formatting window and tweak your conditions or colors until you're happy with the results. And that's it. Now, whenever you update your grades, Smartsheet will automatically keep everything color-coded for you. It's a small setup that really pays off, especially if you're managing a big list. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Got any questions or want to see more on Smartsheet tricks? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. See you next time.